Hi guys, so today we are going to learn how to construct parallel and perpendicular lines. So you're going to need your compass as well as a ruler or a protractor. Okay, so today we're going to construct a line parallel. So right here we're going to construct a line parallel to this one here, but it's going to be passing through point P. Okay, just ignore the square on this side, it's a typo. Okay, and so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a line connecting that point, okay, to the line that we're going to be parallel to. Okay. So this is step one. Okay. It could be anywhere. You could have done it here. You can have done it here. It doesn't matter. Okay. So you're just going to connect P past this line. Then, essentially, what we're going to do is we're going to copy this angle. So you can choose whether you want to copy this angle, this angle, this angle, or this angle. It really doesn't matter. Okay, so here I'm going to copy this angle on the bottom just because I don't think I have enough space here for my compass. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide it around. Okay, and I did an arc. Okay. Since this is to the bottom of this line, I'm going to do it towards bottom right as well. Okay, so down here, I'm just going to do the same thing. Bottom right. Okay, and then since my line wasn't long enough, I'm going to keep going here. Okay, so that's my step 2. So let me highlight it in maybe a different color. Okay, so I'm going to do this in green. And then I repeated it. Okay. So if I had copied the angle on top here, I would have done the arc above. If I had copied this one, I would have done it here. Right? So since this one, it was below and to the right of the line, that's why I'm doing it below and to the right of that point. This is step 2 and 3. Same color because it's the same measurement. Then I'm going to measure how far it is from here to here. So here I'm measuring how far it is from here to here. Okay. And then moving to this intersection here, I'm going to do an arc. So I'll repeat that again. I measured here, and then went over here and did that arc. So this is step 4. And then the last thing I need to do is I just need to connect P to this intersection. This one wasn't really good, okay, but they should be parallel. Okay, so let's try it again. I'm going to do another one. Okay, so this one wasn't very good. We can kind of see it's going to eventually intersect. So let's try it again. Okay, so flip. So this time we're going to construct a line that is parallel to CD, and this time it's going to go through point Q. Okay, so I'm going to do my first step. I'm going to connect the dots. Then I'm going to copy this angle. So starting here, I'm choosing to copy this one. It really doesn't matter which one you copy. Oh, okay. I don't think my line's long enough. Okay, I'm going to copy this one here on the left. So I'm going to copy this one here. So as a result, for my arc, I'm going to do it from here as well. Two. 3. Right. This is step 1. And then I'm going to measure it. So measure here to here. Then from here, do my intersection. This is 4. And then now all I have to do is connect Q to this intersection. And there you go. Right, and so now this one's nice. Okay, you can see that I have a parallel line. So this is parallel to this. Okay. We're going to try it one more time. This time I'm going to construct it parallel to AB here, and it's going to go through Q. So I'm doing the same thing again, right? So now we're just going to ignore all of these here. Okay. So I'm going to do this one in highlighter now. Okay. So step 1 again. I'm going to cross this. So going through Q. Step 1. Okay, connect that point you want to the line you want to be parallel to. Okay. And then you're going to copy an angle. So here I'm going to copy this angle here. Open my compass. Okay. So here, I'm going to open my compass. So I'm essentially copying that angle. So here is 2. Here is 3. Okay. Then I'm going to measure how far it is from here to here. And I'm going to go here. This is 4, and I'm going to connect. Right, so the thing is, if the second example was too much, maybe don't copy that one down, because it'll be harder to go with. And then here, this is parallel to this, so I'm going to use the 3 triple arrow to show that it is parallel. Okay, so that's constructing parallel lines. Okay, so constructing perpendicular lines, there are 2 options. One is where we want a line perpendicular that passes through a point outside of the line. Okay? The other one is where we're constructing a line perpendicular and we want it to pass through a point that is on the line, right? So this one's outside of the line, this one is on the line. Okay? So let's do the one that's outside of the line first. So we're going to start at the point we want to go through. We're going to open our compass so that way it crosses the line twice. So once here, once here. Okay. Then from where it intersected the line, I'm going to make another arc. Okay. From the other side where it intersected the line, I'm going to make another arc. So here and here. This is step 1. Crosses the line twice. Then going to each of those intersections, we cross it. 2 and 3. You do not have to adjust your compass here. 3. Okay. And then all you have to do is connect that point outside of the line to this intersection. Okay. What happens is now I created a perpendicular line. It created a right angle. Okay. So this is if it passes through the point and we're outside of the line. Okay. This one here, we're going to construct a perpendicular line again, but this time it's going to pass through point P, and point P is on the line. Okay. So we start at the point we want to be perpendicular to. Okay. We do an arc on each side. Okay. So one on each side. Okay. Then I'm going to open my compass a little bit bigger. Okay. And then from that intersection, I'm going to make an arc. From the other side, leaving the compass the same here, I'm going to make an arc. So now I've opened it bigger, made my arc from those intersections. Then, so 2 and 3. Okay. And then all I have to do is connect that point to that intersection. And there you go. I have now constructed a perpendicular line because it forms a 90-degree angle. Okay, that's it for today. Have a great rest of the day. Bye, guys.